Yes, peeps, so this is your man, Holy Fire 777. Yes, just showing you how I detail a car. You know, this video isn't really about detailing, but I'm just showing you, after a hard day's work, how the day goes, how my work goes, Yeah, as during the days I do a work as a mobile car wash detailer. Yeah. Julia Mobile Car Wash. You can follow me on Instagram. Yeah. I love my work. Do what I love and I love what I do, Because in life, if you're not doing what you love and not doing what you do, might as well you quit. Because that don't really make any sense. So, you got to love what I do. And I love this work because I get to know people, get to drive different vehicles and, get to know vehicles and get to know people also. And I got a love for what I do really like seeing clean vehicles. Trust me, I hate the dirty vehicle. Love the vehicle being clean and wax and polish and buff and whole works, Seat clean and shampoo and all that. So just stay tuned and watch the video. And thanks for watching, Like, subscribe, share, comment. Yeah, tell a friend, tell a friend. Spread the word, Yeah, Holy Fire is here. And I have a lot of things to show you in Cayman, life and living, what it's like to live in Cayman, Grand Cayman as a Jamaican, Yeah, it's a nice place, as I tell you. So, just watch the video. Yeah. And remember, Holy Fire 777, Judah Mobile Car Wash. Yeah. Follow Judah on Instagram. Yeah. Yeah. And remember, peeps, do it for the love, not for the likes, Yeah. So here, just on detailing or doing detailing a Honda is a new Honda, sorry. BMW, I was holding too close to my face. It's a BMW. Yeah. Yeah, it's a new BMW. They had a Benz before, they sell it and buy this BMW, So, yeah, it's a regular customer. So I'm just giving them a good detail work, Yeah. So let's check it out and check out the cooking. Nice. Big up on yourself. Alright. So yes, peeps. Yeah. After hard days at work, time to cook up some food now. So I got one snapper. So I mix up with some callaloo. And some carrot. Yeah. I have some sweet pepper, tomato, okra, pumpkin, Irish, and garlic. You see me? Yeah. Real Jamaican style, Yeah. I mix up this with some banana, yam and pumpkin and Irish potato. No dumpling in it. So go and stay tuned and watch a real Jamaican man cook. You don't know? All when they are Jamaica, still have the Jamaican vibes. You see what I say? Yeah. Friday night, I don't know. Eat some pizza, but that can't hold me, so you don't know. I've looked for some real food. Yes, put in the sweet pepper now. some escallion. Thing up nice, you know. Yeah, so onion, eh? You know, love all the vegetable in my food. Whole heap of vegetable, you know? Yeah. Got my tomato. Irish potato. I want the Irish cook fast, so I cut up it thin. Because the Irish get a different flavor to me, you know? Yeah. And every day you see them style, you see it? It's hotter than creative kitchen and creative cooking. It's a my creative cooking. Some garlic, you know. Yeah, you don't know. Garlic good for you already. Because garlic is antibiotic. Yeah. And you've taken a pill. Pumpkin. The pumpkin, I see, I cut up the pumpkin small. So it steam fast, you know? Or rather, you know, easily. Not take too long to steam. See, I'm not using a cutting board. You know, never have a time to use a cutting board, so let's go and deal with it away. So yes, peeps, food I done now. So, you know, show you what I go in the pot. Yeah, show you what I go in the pot. Yeah, you know. See there? Yeah, so nice. See there, and gonna cook some food with it, you know. Some banana and dumpling and pumpkin and Irish. See there, so share it some, you know, match up here. So share up some, you know, and eat some food, you know. Banana, you know. Don't know you have to eat a green banana. Everybody need iron. Yeah. And it's an Irish potato, your potassium. You know? And you make you run fast like you see in board. Yeah. Remember why pumpkin forgot? Pumpkin good too, you know? Yeah. Yeah. People smell good. On the side though, smell good. I know it tastes good even though I'm not too tasty yet, you know. fish, you know. Now play greedy, we not eat a whole like one time, no? Leave some for tomorrow. Yes, babe, see there? Eat, man. Man, you know? Tastes right. Being, man. No, man. Fish. Yeah. Huh? Yes, Dave. I eat this, man. Yeah, man. I eat beef, I eat this, you know? Yard man style. Jamaican thing. You know what I say? Yeah. Yes, good. Don't know? It's a old fire kitchen. This is an old fire kitchen, you know? See what I say? Yeah. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah. It's about the thing, you know? I would do it for love, don't do it for likes. You know what I'm saying? Love what you do, and do what you like. Bless.